All right, guys. So this is we have like about 6 days of frost, and I have a bell pepper I'm protecting for a while now because I already know the frost gonna come and the frost gonna beat it. So what I did, I put this. This is a cloth for paint, a paint cloth. Like when you painting, you could put this a drop cloth, so you could put this on the floor and this will collect the paint and it wouldn't go through. So I wrap this over. So I'm gonna show you what I do here. I also have a piece of cloth over it, and I have the plastic wrap over it. Now let's go up inside here, and as you can see, we're seeing bell pepper down there. The bell pepper looking real good. It's looking cool. We see bell pepper up there. We even see bell pepper. I see one they look like it getting spoiled, which I'm gonna pick it. I pick it. I don't know what happened. Maybe you get frostbite, but at the same time, look what's going on here, guys. Bell pepper is doing well underneath here, guys. Yes, so my bell pepper survived the frost, guys. Yes.